In this topic, what we are going to be looking at is the gradient and up on one point on the line. You will be given the gradient at one point on the line. So let me just start by saying first of all, this is what we are going to be looking at. If the gradient and the coordinates of a point on a line are given, then we can find the equation of that particular straight line. When the equation of a straight line is written in the form y equals mx plus c, then it is said to be in the gradient form. So you will be given a gradient and a coordinate of a point that is on that line. We are going to be looking at three different examples for this topic here. So let me start by removing this and let's get into our first example. So our first example reads as follows. Okay, so here we have the problem. We are to find the equation of a straight line which passes through the point 3, 5 and has a gradient of 4. So we won't be looking for the gradient. We have the gradient already, and we do have a point that is on this particular line. Okay, so let's see what will be our solution. I'm gonna do my working with red, so I'm gonna put here in red my working. So the solution to this, oops, let me put this a little bit bigger. The solution, or the way to solve this, is to put here solution. I'm going to say that given the point, because I have been given this point 3, 5 and gradient and m which is equals to 4, then by using the equation of a straight line, because I'm going to be using the equation of a straight line to work with the point and the gradient. So we have y equals mx plus c, where y will be replaced by 5, m will be replaced by 4 since that's the gradient, and x will be replaced by 3 since that is the x value, leaving us only with c. Then we solve, we said 5 is equals to 12 plus c. 5 take away 12 will give me c. Negative 7 is equals to c. Therefore, we can say that c is equals to negative 7. Now, since we have the intercept now, we can now state the equation of the line. Let me do this in a form of a phrase. You don't have to write this whole phrase. Okay, I'm going to write it so that you can do this as reference. Hence, the particular equation of the straight line. I want to put the straight line is y equals, in this case I'm going to put 4x minus 7. Thus the gradient form of the particular equation of the straight line is y equals 4x minus 7. So we were given the gradient and we were given a point of this specific line. So we use the equation of a straight line by substitution, x and y, and we solve for c. Having solved for c, we then substitute into the general equation of the line, and that gives us y equals 4x minus 7. And that is how we find the equation of a line given a point and the gradient.